When you shop in the store, you generally find that they'll have an area dedicated to open box items or returns, and they'll offer them at a significant discount to you. Well, Amazon is no different. They also have open box products and things that have been returned. They even have an area where people will sell used items. And you can take advantage of that savings just by seeing if what you need is on sale. So scroll down to the bottom of your homepage, and there you'll see that Amazon lists the other companies that they own or divisions of Amazon. And in there you'll see the warehouse deals, which is the open box discounts. When you arrive at that page, they'll generally be promoting the specials that are happening. Sometimes there's even promo codes for like $10 off of a $50 order or things like that. Right now they're doing a spring savings where you can save up to 25% off select items. So you'll want to start by looking in the left-hand side. If you're not looking for a particular item, you can sort by the department. So if you were looking for, say, a TV, you would look in electronics. Okay, and from there, you could sort television and video. And you can go to televisions. And you'll see that there are things like this 55-inch Samsung Smart TV. It's last year's model. So if I click on that, I'll see that Amazon Warehouse Deals is the seller, and that it is in used, very good condition for $698. Now, if I click on used, very good, I'm going to see that the item may be repackaged. There may be some small scratches on the front of the item. There may be some scratches on the tops or the sides. So this isn't necessarily a used item. Sometimes it's just a damaged item, cosmetic damage. But you can also go here to see what's available from all sellers, and generally Amazon has different conditions of items. So you'll see that they're selling multiple items, used, very good with small scratches. This one says that it may come repackaged, small scratches. Okay. You'll see all of these are being sold by Amazon Warehouse Deals, but look at this. The new one being sold by Amazon is selling for $100 more. So you're still going to be backed by Amazon by buying from their warehouse deals, but you can save $100 if you don't mind getting a TV with a few scratches on it. Okay. This can be done in many different departments. If you're not opposed to having an open box toy and you want to save some money, there's a toy section. Okay, and you can do the same thing that I talked about in the first video and sort your items low to high so you can find the biggest discounts. So let's look through the toys, low to high. Okay, you can see there's video games in there. There's a Nintendo DS game here. So this one is being offered again by Amazon Warehouse Deals, and it's used, and this is part of their trade-in program. So people trade in their old video games. Amazon ensures that it's a working, good video game, and then they sell it to you at a discount. Okay. If you know exactly what you're looking for, so say that I want to look for 7th generation diapers, which are generally available in the Warehouse Deals open box. I'll search 7th generation in this search bar, and then I can just look at the diapers, okay, available from these sellers. So I'll click there, and I'll get the list of where they're available. And again, I see that Amazon Warehouse has them, and they're just an open box. They're not a return. Nobody has used them. But I can score a discount on them simply because the packaging was opened or damaged. And so if I want to save on diapers, I can look for that. I can search most any product in the Warehouse Deal search bar and see what's available there. So again, if you don't mind an open box item or a return, still backed by a guarantee from Amazon, it's worth the time to look in the Warehouse Deals, especially when buying a big ticket item. Just take a look and see if there's something available at a lower cost to you before you go spending more money than you need to.